In today's video, I'm going to teach you open line weights settings. Line weights are the visual language of your drawings. They tell the eye what's in the foreground, what's being cut, and what's in the background, all through thickness and contrast. Getting to the place where these thicknesses are defined is quick, and understanding what you're looking at will help you keep your documentation clean, legible, and professional. With your project open and the ribbon visible, go to Manage, then Additional Settings, and choose Line Weights. That path again is Manage Additional Settings, Line Weights. This opens the Line Weights dialog, the central control for line thicknesses across the entire project. Inside this dialog, you'll see a grid that maps line weight numbers to actual printed thicknesses. These numbers are referenced throughout your views for objects and annotations. The dialog typically distinguishes between projection lines, which represent things you're looking at, and cut lines, which represent elements sliced by the view's cut plane. It also associates thicknesses with view scales. That means a weight that looks perfect at 1/100 may be too heavy or too light at 120, and this dialog is where those scale-based differences are defined. The goal is consistent visual hierarchy regardless of scale. As you review the settings, think about the story your drawings need to tell. Heavier lines at the cut, medium lines for objects seen in projection, and lighter lines for background or secondary context create depth and clarity. If your office has a graphic standard, the values you see here usually match it, so simply opening this dialog is a good way to confirm your project is aligned with those expectations. If you're collaborating with others, it's helpful to understand these settings so you can communicate clearly about why a detail or plan might look too bold or too faint. A few tips while you're here. Take a moment to read the scale headers and understand how each column maps to common view scales. Recognize that line weight numbers are just pointers. The printed thickness values are what actually control appearance on paper or PDF. If you ever inherit a project that looks inconsistent, opening this dialog is a fast diagnostic step to see whether line weights are set sensibly. That's it. You've opened the line weight settings and reached the place where line thicknesses are governed for the whole project. Understanding this dialog will make every plan, section, elevation, and detail more readable, and it gives you confidence that what you see on screen will translate accurately to print.